So today we're installing the yoke steering wheel. Got the carbon fiber on the Tesla Model S. Tools you'll need: so H4 and the H10. Excuse me. The H10. You need a breaker bar, thread lock. After you take the two screws off, two screws in the back, each side, snap this out. Comes right out. Disconnect. I got no heat on my steering wheel. Disconnect. Might have to stick something in there. I broke it already. You definitely need a breaker bar. Some thread lock. It's on. Now I'm about to screw it down. Put the air back on. It should be all good. All finished. I like how it look. Don't laugh at my socks. Let me know what you think. Got the carbon fiber. Match the carbon fiber. Pay about $239 for it. Took about 5 days to come. Let me know what you think in the comments.